Oh,
Hello?
give me a moment, please. Everyone, I see that you are here. I'm well aware that you're here. Just wait till your name is called and then we'll deal with your matter. Ms. Vivian, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Antonia Ramirez.
Yes, thank you. I'm gonna put you guys in the breakout room and let her know that, and then let her know an attorney will be with her soon.
Señorita Ramírez, vamos a ir en un cuarto virtual. Cuando viene la solicitación en su pantalla, tenés que unirse o join. Y después un abogado viene para hablar con usted.
In case you went to room number 24.
Okay.
All right, everyone, when I call your name, please let Miss Siroki say her name first, and then you can say your name. All right, this is the people versus Tanina Dunbar, ticket number SP 1443379. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no valid registration. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Ms. Dunbar.
Ms. Dunbar, say your name, ma'am.
Yes, Tanina Dunbar.
Your Honor, these matters were set for trial today. Do not believe the officer appeared. If that's the case, I'm moving for dismissal.
So I believe count 1 was set for trial. Counts 2 and 3 were in default. Do you have a motion?
A motion is set to default aside, Your Honor. Because they
will
are
set
on the
aside.
docket.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So the court will set, well, all right. With that, these matters were set for trial at 9. It's 10:17. No officers have appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Marquita Days. Ticket number SP 1449542, count 1, reckless driving. Good morning, considering.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Ms. Dace.
Ms. Days, say your name, ma'am.
Marquita Dace.
Your Honor, this matter is set for trial today. Do not believe the officers appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
Matter was set for trial at now 10:18. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Days. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
The people versus Victor De Jesus, ticket number SP 1450179. Count 1, drove without cycle endorsement / no moped license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Mr. De Jesus.
All right, say your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Victor
Victor De Jesus.
Your Honor, Officer Rule is here. I did not bring him out. So let me see.
on this matter?
Officer, it's going to be a dismissal to his documents, but I'm going to ask Officer Shabazz and Officer Rule to come out. We're going to need them. Give me 1 second, please.
But I thought that I had that. I thought that. Oh, they are here. He is here. I'm sorry. All right. Yeah, I told Shabazz to come out. He didn't come out.
I'm going to prompt Rule, see if he'll come out. I can just go in there.
Okay, thank you. All right, Corporal Rule, can you say your name for the record, please?
Corporal Rule, Badge 3896, Detroit Police.
6th Precinct.
Your Honor, my client, today is the day and time set for trial. He did show me a license that ends on 8/18/2023, and he does have a cycle endorsement. He's just waiting for his hard copy in the mail. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, with that corporate rule, seeing that he does have valid documentation, you are okay with this matter being dismissed?
I was not aware of the that I can run it real quick to make sure.
Go ahead, I saw it. If you want to check it, check it.
Okay. Okay, Your Honor, I'm good.
All right, so you stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. De Jesus, good luck to you, sir. Thank you, corporate rule.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you. Corporal Hayward, good morning, so I'm gonna put you on rule number 1. This call was around,
Okay, I spoke with her briefly earlier. Good morning to you.
okay. I'll put you on rule number 1.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Marcus Daniel. Ticket number SP 1449631. Count 1, no plates. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Marcus Daniel.
Say your
Good
name,
morning.
sir.
Good morning, Marcus Daniel.
Your Honor, today is the day and time set for trial. I do not believe the officer had appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
Dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. It's weird. He has 3 misdemeanors, but they're not on the record. They're not, I don't know, they're not in the system, so. We're not even gonna. All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's an NR, no record.
I know, but what were you gonna do? Were they gonna be dismissed?
The officer didn't appear when we just dismissed them, just in
Yeah,
case.
just dismissed.
Okay, you know what? Let me call these other tickets that they're not in the record, but if they do appear, we're just gonna dismiss them since the officer did not appear. This is ticket number SP 1449632. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, driver's registered or entitled vehicle. Those matters are dismissed as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the People versus Kiana Rickett. Ticket number SX 3879120. Count 1, no ops on person. Count 2, accident failed to stop an ID property damage accident, hit and run. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Good
Ms.
morning,
Rickett.
Gianna Rickett.
Your Honor,
Gianna Rickett.
You got
at
it.
this time, Ms. Rickett, we waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges, ask the court to set the warrant aside. My understanding is she does have other misdemeanor tickets. I'm asking they all be set for trial at the same time.
So there's one misdemeanor, but this is from 2021. So I don't, the court's not inclined to,
Ms. Rickett?
Yes.
So judge is indicating you only had one other ticket, I believe.
Well, I mean, I didn't look, I'll look, but this one is from, it's from like 2 years ago.
Yeah, I have, but when I went to the court to set up my court date, they gave me a list of all my old tickets that was still on here. From like 2014, 15, and 16. They're misdemeanors.
The ones that are, she has ones that are pending from, she has these 2 tickets, and then everything else is, that's it. She just has these 2 tickets, and then the other one is in default, but it's from 2020.
Your Honor, then I'm asking that the matters that are before the court be set for bench trial date.
All right, here, Ms. Cole, I'll put Ms. Officer Hayward as in number 1, I'll put you in there.
Oh, is there a retained attorney on that possibly?
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, thank you.
All right, raise your right hand. Ms. Rickett,
Yes.
do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. All right, do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
The court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial
Make it the 10th.
for July 10th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, that's it. Thank you.
So you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry, let me do Officer Shabazz. This is the people versus Marquetta Randall Boyd. Good morning. I'm sorry, ticket number SP 1050052, count 1, driver and register and title vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Shabazz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your Honor, you have Ms. Boyd.
Ms. Boyd, say your name, please. Ms. Randall Boyd, say your name.
Marquita Randall Boyd.
Your Honor, at this time, the people did make a recommendation. My client would admit an amended charge of improper plate. The 2 charges are being dismissed.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Randall Boyd. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 23rd, 2019 at 1:57 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Grand River and Schaefer in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving 2001 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered or entitled?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied with factual basis, Mr. Roki, stipulate proper cause?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate proper cause?
So stipulated.
All right, so count 2 is dismissed without prejudice. Count 1 is amended to improper plates. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Ms. Randall Boyd, can you have that fine paid by July 21st?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
Okay, so I have to come down to the court to pay this, or?
No, you can pay it online. There's a phone number I can give you if you'd like. You can pay it over the phone. There's kiosks around the city. I know they're like in CVS and Myers. I know there's one at the Northwest Activity Center. It's called DAT, DIV as in Victor, DAT as in Tom. And you can pay it on the kiosk.
Okay.
Did you want the phone number since I see you?
Yes, please.
1-855 798 1547.
Okay, and the warrants will be lifted after I pay this?
You might have to pay some reinstatement. Oh, I mean the warrant, you mean the warrant? Yeah, the warrants are lifted today.
Okay.
No, you had us set for trial. Are you talking about like, is your license suspended? Because you might pay some reinstatement. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Shabazz, you have one more. You have Brittany Reed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you can go back in the room.
I also have a Sakina Davis also. I don't know if she showed up.
Yeah,
Davis.
no, she didn't show up. That's
Okay.
okay. That's what she is.
Okay.
Oh, Ms. Reed is here, okay.
Yeah, Brittany Reed is.
Yeah, I'll get her in the next group.
Okay. All right. Let's do Kiana Rickett. That's done already? I did. Ms. Rickett, you're all set. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Christina Robinson. This is the People versus Cericia Robinson, ticket number U526465 19, count 1, entering remain in vacant dwelling without written permission. Ticket number U50522419, count 1, enter without owner's permission. And then ticket number U52128119, count 1, damage to property.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Robinson. At this time, I'm asking all the bench warrants be set aside. My client's entering a plea of not guilty.
It's defaced property. Ms. Robinson, you're muted, ma'am. Unmute yourself, please, and say your name.
Oh, Cericia Robinson, can you ask my attorney, can I take the plea deal?
Yes, you can if you want. The people
And
made a
this
recommendation, Your
paper?
Honor, she would plead to 1 disorderly conduct. The other 2 matters would be dismissed. At this time, she wants to waive her rights and ask the court to adopt that.
Okay, let me see where this, because I only see 1 ticket. I mean, the plea offer does include all 3 tickets, but I only see 2 tickets on the docket, so let me just see what's going on. I guess it's just in warrant status. All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea? Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes. Will I still have to just pay a fine?
Okay, we'll get to that. All right, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 9th, 2019. on that day of time at or near 3962 Lakeview in the city of Detroit?
I got a permission also.
Did you hear me?
Yes,
Is that your answer to the question, or do you need me to repeat the question?
no, yes, I was near
Okay.
the,
Okay, and did you enter that, was there, there's a building at that address that you enter or gain the vacant dwelling without written permission?
no,
So it sounds like you're not guilty. So do you want to go to trial?
no. I can get the 2 tickets dismissed Friday and just plead to the disorderly conduct.
But you have
Right,
to
but you have to admit you violated the disorderly conduct statute.
Okay, well, yes,
Are you satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will amend count 1 of disorderly conduct, stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have it paid by July 21st?
okay, let me get a pen. And where do I pay that?
So you can pay it by July 21st?
Yes,
All right, so you can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number if you like. You can pay it online. You can come down to the courthouse. There's kiosks around the city called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. They're like in CVS and Myers. You can pay it there. But if you want the phone number, it's 1-855-798-1547.
okay.
All right. Any other questions?
Yes. No.
So you're all
Is it a
set.
misdemeanor C?
I'm sorry.
I was wondering, was it misdemeanor C?
Here, what? I don't understand the question.
Misdemeanor what? I'm sorry.
Is it a misdemeanor C?
I can't understand. She's breaking off because she doesn't have a good connection.
What's your question?
I was wondering, is it a misdemeanor C or a B?
It's a low misdemeanor. It has to be probably a C. If that's what you're asking. It's a 93-day
Okay.
misdemeanor.
All right, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you. Officer Pierce, good morning. Ariel, I forget her name, but your defendant is not present. That's gonna be a KPS.
All right, thank
Ariel
you.
Reed. Okay, thank you. This is the People versus Nicholas Robinson, ticket number SP 1451540, count 1 expired plate, and ticket number SP 1451732, count 1 no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, we have Mr. Robinson.
Nicholas Robinson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving to dismissal.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9. It is now 10:39. No officer has appeared. This matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Claire. I got a question.
Yes, sir.
I had a court with y'all like last month and y'all said I defaulted for failure to appear, but I appeared via Zoom. Is there any way I can get, it was the same judge, you were my judge, and I appeared, but it said default for not appearing when I did appear.
On what matter?
I had like 4 or 5 more tickets, like last month I came to see you. So these are 2 new tickets. I had like 5 or 6 tickets before this that I appeared on, but they defaulted me saying I failed to appear. But it was via Zoom. I signed in, I checked in, I talked to the attorney, got another trial date for the 26th, and I never got back called. They said I just defaulted because I failed to appear. And I tried to call and leave messages, no one never called back.
What happened on the 26th?
They said I didn't have a court date. They gave me a court date for the 26th, but they said I wasn't scheduled for 26 because I was defaulted.
Did you show up on the 25th?
No, they said I didn't have court on the 26th. When I logged in to try to log in as Zoom, they said I didn't have court. That was the next court date they gave me from the 10th. From when I went 5/10, they gave me 5/26 to trial, but I didn't have a trial date because they said I defaulted by not appearing. But it was via Zoom. I'm sure I can prove I was here.
Okay, call the courtroom.
I normally call your courtroom. I get your secretary to call the courtroom.
Call the courtroom is 313-965-2290.
2290. I don't think that's the number I have. Okay, cool. 2290.
What was his name?
Yeah, I got a circle. You can't put Nicholas Robinson.
Okay. I think you're right, Paul.
Yeah, just call the courtroom right now.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, well, all right, this speaker versus Tony Reynolds Smith, ticket number SP 1450285. Count 1, fail to properly secure passenger / child. Count 2, fail to properly secure passenger / child. Count 3, fail to properly secure passenger / child. Ticket number SP 1450284. Count 1, fail to properly secure passenger / child. Count 2, accident, fail to properly secure passenger / child restraint. Count 3, fail to properly secure passenger / child. Ticket number SP 1450283. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. And count 3, fail to secure a child under 4-year-old in a car seat. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have the defendant.
Say your name, sir.
Tony Antron Reynolds Smith.
Your Honor, regarding Mr. Reynolds Smith, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer is not signed and I'm moving for dismissal of all the counts.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9/10/42. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Hit the little David.
You have a question? You're all set. This is the people versus Thomas Donaldson. Ticket number SP 180625. Count 1, driving register and title vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license never required. And then there's ticket number SP 1448199. Count 1, surrounding traffic lane. Count 2, failed to signal. Count 3, blockade moving lane of traffic. Ticket number SP 1446866. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver. And count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning. Please say your name.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have the defendant.
Say your name, sir. You're muted.
Thomas Donaldson.
Your Honor, these matters are set for trial today. I don't believe that either the officers have appeared or moving for dismissal.
Officer Wilson appeared.
Oh, it did, then we're gonna have to redo this then. He's gonna have to go back in.
He's been in and out, but he leaves, he comes back.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to talk to the city attorney then.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor, did Dennis Dillard show up today?
Yeah. Yes, he's in room number 6, and Spidel's here too. You want me to put you in room number 6?
Okay, thank you.
Sorry about that.
This, the Kenneth McCarthy, he was here. He's in the waiting room. So, Mr. Donaldson, you need to rejoin your breakout room, please.
The breakout room?
Yeah, so you should be able to hit your screen and you should get the prompt and go back in there.
Just tap the screen?
Yes. Ms. Cole, are you available at this time?
Yes, we were just going to get a short adjournment on Mr. Russ. I wanted to put that on the record if the court is okay with that.
What's the purpose? Because he told me it is documentation.
Well, we didn't see it. So we spoke with Officer Hayward, and he's going to email me the documents, and then we would dismiss them if we get a short adjournment. The things we didn't see, he needed some pictures that some violations were corrected, which he said they were done, but we'd like to see proof. So if we were just trying to adjourn it a week, he's going to email me the documents. Isn't that correct, Mr. Russ?
Yes.
Hey, Jimmy, how you doing today? My name is Kenny with Raeigen Transportation. I was told to reach out to you about setting up a pickup. She has Z material.
I don't even see where I go to the breakout room.
Yeah. They told me to get a call today. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, you can't go back into the breakout room?
Nope, it ain't giving me no option. I'm trying.
Yeah,
we're steel haulers. I was told they were.
well, the clerk's gonna have to place you back in.
Oh, they didn't tell me that. Places. How many are there? All right. Yeah,
I need it. That's from Curly, the one from back there.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened to me. I disappeared and I'm just talking and nobody.
No, I didn't know what happened to you either.
Yeah, sorry. All right, this is the people versus Kenneth McCarty, ticket number SP 1446135. Count one, driving register or title vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need.
Your Honor, Pauline, I don't think he was ready.
Both of these, and then I need.
I have the insurance and stuff.
Oh, Your Honor, yeah,
registration.
I'm sorry. Okay, sir, hang on. Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. McCarty. Mr. McCarty, can you say your name?
Kenneth DeWell McCarty Jr.
Your Honor, today is a day and time set for trial. The officer did not appear to move for dismissal.
All right. Okay, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as they were set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is 10:48 and the officers have appeared. So these are dismissed. Good luck to you, sir. You're all set.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a good day.
Thank you.
We're also ready on Russ, if the court will allow us.
Yes, yes. This is the people versus Roy Russ, ticket number SP 1412924, count one, CMV, no annual inspection decal displayed on truck/trailer, ticket number SP 1412923, count one, violation of act or rules / Motor Carrier Safety Act, count two, CMV defective equipment, and ticket number SP 1430422, count one, no annual MDOT safety inspection. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with the people.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Roy Russ.
Mr. Russ, unmute yourself, state your name, sir. Look on the bottom left-hand corner.
Sure.
Say your name.
Roy Russ.
Your Honor, the Corporal Hayward and myself spoke with Mr. Russ, and he said that he's in compliance, but we were not able to see any documents in that regard, and he's going to email me some documents, which I will share with Corporal Hayward. And we were hoping to just adjourn it for 1 week, and if he emails that to me, I'll write up a dismissal slip and send it to the court.
All right, you said 1 week, so you want to come back on June
28th?
28th?
Yeah, does that work for the court? Thank you. And Mr. Russ, if you send me those, I will send a dismissal slip into the court.
Yeah,
And then what's that? Okay,
yeah.
especially the decals. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure, we'll come back on June 21st at I guess this will be a trial, so at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, June 28th. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, June 28th at 9.
Thank you, Judge. Did you need me, Attorney Soroki?
No, that was the case.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have a good day, Jan.
You too. Thank you, Corporal. And Mr. Roki, I'm in the room if you need me.
So, Your Honor, can you place Mr. Donaldson back in the breakout room, please?
He should be able to join his breakout room to go back in there. Tap your screen, Mr. Donaldson. Did we do Latrina Robinson?
Oh, breakout. Okay. All right. Okay.
I don't believe we did, Your Honor.
And which one I'm supposed to go to? 17? Okay.
Thank you.
People versus Latrina Robinson. Ticket number SP 1448904. Hold on, let me make sure I got that. 1448904. Count 1, fails to immediately disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. And we need a Ms. Cole for that one. And then, or no, we don't. And then ticket number SP 1448895, count 1, discharge firearm. And then she has 3 tickets. Oh, 2 are the same. All right, good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Robinson.
Say your name, ma'am.
Latrina Robinson.
Your Honor, at this time, it is a date and time set for trial. The officers do not appear. I'm moving for dismissal.
All right, these were set for trial at 9 and 10:53. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. She does have 3 other misdemeanors that are from 2016 that are in warrant status. Ticket number SP 651976, count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, driving register on title vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. How do you wish to proceed?
I'm sorry. Are you saying that those tickets?
It's from 2016, and the officer is Daniel Vickers.
I'm gonna move for dismissal, Your Honor, of all those matters.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. So you're all set, ma'am. That's you.
I have a question.
Okay. What's your question?
Oh, I'm sorry. The officers had confiscated my firearm and I was wondering, am I able to pick it back up or how does that work?
I'm not sure.
You can just send her my email address, Your Honor. We would ask for an order to return her firearm. But what are the charges?
It was discharged. First, I think it was taken. I think she had to contact the prosecutor. Well, no, one is discharged firearm, and the other one was still attempting to disclose also that he or she is carrying.
So that was Cole's.
Yeah.
And then for us, discharged firearm. If you want to take, I'm the prosecutor for the city. So if you want to take
If you want to take my email address down,
Yes.
I'll have to look into it and see what's going on. And let me write your case number down. Oh, I guess it's on the docket, so I got it. Katrina Robinson. That's here in the circle.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's Horn Tom, HORNETOM. So HORNETOM at Detroit MI. So it's DetroitMI.gov.
Okay.
I'll also leave you with my phone number in case the email might not have been 313-628-4239.
Okay.
And I'll look into it further. Just make sure you just reach out to me. I definitely will respond to you because
Okay, how long?
Just you can send me an email now. I mean, I'm running around courthouse right now, but you know, whenever you get a chance, just send me a tickler or give me a call, because what might happen is if everything's all clear, you would need an order from the court signed by the judge here saying that you can have your firearm released to you. Also in that email, give me some details about
what happened.
Your gun. I don't know if you have all the serial.
Yeah, I have my I have the serial number. I have my the certificate that they gave me to carry in my purse. So I got all the information.
Okay, and Judge, can I see her tickets? Because I'll take them with me. Because if it's all clear in the order, I'll have to. Oh yeah, these will stay. So. Oh, our ticket was Officer Voss. That was this year. So one separate charge. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, two of them got dismissed. Got it. Because the officer didn't. Yeah. Okay. Let me just. We can move on. Thank you so much, Ms. Yeah, I see the Vickers and. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was. You did all that.